the second quarter earnings for the sector as a whole is going to be extremely interesting to watch. Priya is standing by to give us a sense of what earnings are likely to look like for the sector as a whole. Priya.
Well, absolutely, Harsha. We're just a day, away from the beginning of the earnings season for the technology sector, and from the second quarter, we expect, it's actually a very seasonally strong quarter for the IT companies, and the expectations point towards a robust growth as far as revenues are concerned, and even analysts are projecting the same. Now, if you look on a sequential basis, revenues are expected to be in the range of about 2 to 6% on a sequential basis, and if you look at the rupee, which depreciated about 11% during that period, it's expected to boost margins for the IT sector, which is of course good news. However, some of these gains could be offset by the wage cycle that comes in, which refers to the salary hikes and the bonuses which would be around the corner. There is also expectations that IT companies will reinvest these gains in their businesses, and also will go aggressive as far as bidding is concerned because of the strong deal rebid market that's coming up. Now, if you look at the top four top-tier IT companies, their commentary is likely to be pointing towards a return of discretionary spending, and taking cue from the recovery, growth in the US markets is expected to be quite robust, and also European clients are expected to do better spending as they look at cutting costs. Now, if you look at vertical-wise, we see the banking and financial services as far as the infrastructure management services to be strong verticals which are expected to drive growth for the second quarter. But however, there are certain overhangs that continue to remain for the sector, which in this case is the immigration bill. Of course, we know that this is turning to be a more positive sign for the IT companies as the days go by, but it's a risk till it's finally over. Also, another overhang which concerns with the rising visa costs and the increase in on-site hiring, which is leading to an increase in pay for on-site employees. So clearly, we need to wait and watch what the management has to say about a certain factors as well as pricing as far as the earnings are concerned.